Hello guys, so today I want to talk about how I made $40 online by just sharing my internet connection. I want you to keep on watching because that is what I'm going to show you on this video. So the first thing you need to do is to go to your smartphone. So we are going to use our smartphone to make this type of money. So how it works is that you are going to be sharing your internet connection with companies or helping small and big company and earn interest in return. So I will leave the link of this application I'm going to talk about in the description. If you want, just click it and download the application on your smartphone. But if you don't know how to download this application, I'm going to show you how you can download this application on your smartphone. So this application is not available on your Google Play Store like every other application you know. So the first thing you need to do is to download this application. That is one thing you need to do. So let me show you how you can download this application. First, let me go to my Google Chrome. So now that I'm on my Google Chrome, I will search for Honeygain. I will search for Honeygain app. I will click on search and it's going to pop this up and I'm going to click on the first link. You can see where it says download Honeygain app. So I will click on that and it's going to open up a page which is the website of Honeygain. So what we have to do is to download this application, or you can download this application either in your computer or you can download it on your smartphone or your iPhone. So any smartphone you have, you can download this application on that your phone. So I will click on the part where it said download for Android, and it's going to pop this up letting me know that if I want to download this application again, is because I have already downloaded it before, but I'm going to show you how it works. I'll click on download again and you can see it's downloading. It's just telling me that my file is downloaded. I will click on the part where it says open. So once I click on that, it will ask me, do you want to update this app? So what I will do, I will say update. But for you, it will not ask you to update this application. It will be telling you to install it. So you need to click on install. It will ask you to accept the terms and condition. And once you have done that, it's going to allow you to install the application properly on your smartphone. So once it's done, I will click on the part where it said, you can see app installed. I will click on done. So once I click on done, we are through with this part. One thing I want to say again, don't forget to use my link in the description to join this application or this website, because you are going to earn $5 by just signing up on this website, which is called Honeygain. That is one thing I love about this website. You can see that the application is half open like you are seeing on the screen, and it's so simple. You don't need to do anything on this application. Just install it, give the application permission to run on your smartphone, and you are going to be making money. So what I'm going to show you here now, you can see they have like daily contests that you can go and contest on, and they have daily pools where you will see that you and what is still good on this application is that you are going to be making like free coin every single day. Like they have a like lucky day win. So if there's a boss that they have on their platform, if you click on the boss, it's going to break. And if that boss break, maybe if you have been using the application within 24 hours or during 24 hours, you are going to earn interest by just using this application. That is one thing I like. It's like a daily reward. And if we scroll down here again, another way that you can use to make money is the referral program. So you can refer people to this application, which is called Honeygain, and make good amount of money from them. So if you refer anyone to this program, you are going to be making a roughly 10% bonus every time they make money. So it's not every time they cash out, but every time they make money, you can make money too. That is one thing I like about this application, which is called Honeygain. So you will get 500 Honeygain, and your friend has to join Honeygain and gather at least 200 GB, which is you're going to spend 200 GB to be able to for you to be able to get this money. So that is one thing I want you to know. You are not just going to make the money just like that. The person needs to be active user for you to be making the money every time. So that is one thing I want you to know. And what is still good, like I said, if you are a new user or if you are a new, you have not used this application, don't forget to use my link in the description so that you will get your $5 when you join this program. So that is one thing I want you to know. So you already know that you are not doing anything on this application. Just allow it to run on your smartphone and you can be making money by doing that. And another thing that they have is the jump task. The jump task, when I click on jump task here, and let me click on switch to jump task. So when you switch to jump task, what it's doing here is that it's allowing you to invest the money that you are making on this application Honeygain and make interest in return. The minimum amount you can reach before you cash out is $20. So once you hit this money, the money will be deposited into your jump task account and you can reinvest it there and get interest in return by investing that your money on jump task. That is one thing I just want to talk about, this jump task that is partnered with Honeygain. But I don't really use it honestly. I have made up to like 60 cents or 10 cents from job task, but I don't use it honestly. So now I have switched it back to Honeygain. And to see how much I have made from this application, I will click on these three dots that you can see at the bottom here. So once I click on this, it's going to pop this up. You will see achievements, you will see transaction history, and you will see stacks, and you will see settings. So what I want us to focus on is the transaction history, because I want you to see the proof that I have made up to $40 by just using this application. I'm not just talking like a random person. So I will click on transaction history here. And once the transaction history open, so you will see the amount of coin I'm getting every single day. So I'm getting 10, I'm getting 16. Every day is changing. So if I click on more here, you will see more coin that I'm gathering from this application, and I can convert this money into cash once I hit the minimum amount of cashing out, which is $20. So when I click on payout here, you will see payout 2021. This was 2021. And as you can see, I have earned up to $20 by just using this application. So I'm not using it often. That's why you see that I'm not making money every single year. So this was 2021. That is when I made this money. So ever since then, I just leave the application, and because you will not just become rich with this application, but it's a way that you can use to accumulate some free money online. That is one thing I like about this application. So now you see the proof that I have received money from this application, which is called Honeygain. So let us go back. Let me show you something, which is the minimum amount of cashing out. So when I click on the home button here, so it's going to take us back to the home page of this application, which is called Honeygain. And as you can see here, when you see my current balance now is $19.89, which is almost $20. Once I hit $20 now, I will cash this money into my paper account or into my preferable payments method. So their payment method is paper, or you can use Bitcoin. So for those of you who have these two wallets, you will be able to deposit your money into your paper account or into your crypto wallet. So that is everything I want to talk about this application, which is called Honeygain. And yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. If you're enjoying it, so all I'll ask you right now is for you to just hit that like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Like I'm saying again, don't forget to use my link in the description if you want to join this program. So that is everything I want to talk about. So what are the pros and cons? What do I think about this application? Side is that you are going to make money. You make money by consuming your own data. So let us say, for example, you used to consume data a lot on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, but no one is paying you. But for you to give permission to this application to consume your internet, and you are going to make money by doing that, because Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, they are taking a lot of our data, but they are not paying us in return by just using them. So they take it without our permission. So this application is going to pay us for we to allow them to use all these things from our phone. So why you don't want to do that? So for me, I will do it. For you, I don't know. So you can decide on that. That is the pro. So the cons is that you will not make a lot of money. So you can make few cash. It will take you like up to 2 months to be able to make that $20. So it's not a really good way of making good amount of money online. So I just have to be honest about that. So you know everything, how you can receive your money and how you can use this application, which is called Honeygain. So But if you want to like make good amount of money online, you can watch this my video that will pop up here, where I talk about how you can make money with affiliate program, so you can make up to 10% to 80% commission when you promote companies, product or services. So I will say thank you very much, guys. Like I'm saying, don't forget, hit that like button, leave me a comment what you think about this video in the comment section. So I will say thank you very much, guys. I will see you on my next upcoming video. Don't forget, like, share and comment, please. Comment. Thank you. See you on the next one.